This is the situation. You have two computers, one is your workstation, the second one could be your server, HTPC, or just another computer in the other room for which you are too lazy to get up for. You want to control it from the computer you are sitting by. What you type on your first computer, you want it to affect the second computer. Enter the SSH. Let us assume both are running Linux, which will make all this easier. Because all Linux distributions are both SSH servers and SSH clients. The IP address on computer 2 is 192.168.100.18, and username is Amir. To start the SSH session from computer 1 into computer 2, you use this command in your terminal. Of course, you'll need to know the password from that user on a computer 2, and just like that, you have total remote access to computer 2, while you sit by computer 1. To copy any file from computer 1 to computer 2, use the scp command, like so. To copy from computer 2 to computer 1, just flip the locations. If you want to copy a folder, then add a lowercase r option. SSH is a very powerful and useful tool for both home and professional use. Not very complicated to use after some time of practice. This video showed you the basics. You can continue on with experimenting by yourself from here. Good luck.